What up? This is Machete Kid TV, and I told you I had a new chain coming. I might be talking weird because I actually bit my tongue, and I got a big cut on my tongue, and it hurts like hell. Can't eat, can't do shit. But I told you I had a new chain coming. I did this video already, and somehow the video got lost. I think I accidentally deleted or whatever. But it was my Versace pendant. Y'all ready? I had it to where I was unboxing it on camera, and I was like, you know what I'm saying? I was real like shocked. But now that video's gone. So anyway, here it is. It's 10 karat white gold, solid. It's for the pendant. This is 3x3, so I'm thinking, and it's 3 inches tall, 3 inches wide, and the bell makes it, I guess, 3.8, almost 4 inches. So this is the new one. This is the old one we used to rock. Look at the difference. You know, this is my baby. This thing is almost 200 grams of 10 karat white gold. These are the same people. These are the same people that made the infamous Jason chain. So let me show you. They do amazing work over there. You know, they do amazing work. You know. So we got this and we got this. This is made by the same people, same designer, everything. You know. Ain't no writing on the back of this because I didn't have anything to say, but you know, on the Jason it says Friday the 13th. You know, he's 10 karat white gold. You know, he's got the different diamonds in him and stuff. You know, I ain't gonna, if you watch my old videos, you already know how much that costs. I really can't tell you how much this costs just yet. We're gonna wait till later videos, but I gotta show y'all some close-up of this chain though. I'll show you how much it weighs right quick. Almost 200 grams. Okay, the close-up of the Versace chain. As you can see, we got green emeralds, real green emeralds in the eyes. And I wanted that because, you know, all I see is money. And then we got real red ruby teardrops coming out the right eye, you know. And that signifies, you know, the blood we shed, you know, all the pain and tears that I done been through over the years. So we got the, you know, the teardrops coming out the right eye with the green, real green emeralds in the eyes. And I've been wearing it, so it's kind of dusty. It needs to be shined a little. Here's the back, and 10 karat gold. You know, I just threw this Franco up there. This is Franco that went with my Jason over here. Here's Jason. He's probably jealous because I'm not, you know, wearing them anymore. You know, it's 10 karat gold, 10 karat white gold. But anyway, so yes, people, this is the Versace chain. I was thinking about getting it all, you know, all yellow. But I was like, no, let's just do the two-tone. Let's do the gold with the white, then with the gold chain, you know. I feel like that. I feel like that's dope, you know. But shout out to my jeweler, you know. They coming through, you know. Even with this corona shit going on, they coming through. But I have a lot more designs and chains coming in the future. I have a lot more stuff coming in the future. You know, I gotta get to this music shit again, cause you know, but this is the old one. You know, this ain't custom. if I can get it off, you know. It's like 2 inches, you know. You talking this one. Let's put it on. You know, as big as my face. You know. I'm like, I gotta get a different chain for when I'm thinking about a Cuban or something. This is a 5mm Franco. But yeah, it's like a dinner plate, you know. So yeah, that's the chain. And remember, if you ain't stabbing nobody, you ain't doing nothing.